How to deposit paper cash to Cash App at 7-Eleven. Let's get started. Open up your Cash App. On the home screen, click on your balance at the bottom left. A drop-down menu appears. To deposit money at 7-Eleven, look for paper money with a dollar sign next to it. Click there, and it will open a map where you can search for a nearby 7-Eleven. You can either manually zoom in on a location or use the search icon to find a specific 7-Eleven in your city. Once you've chosen a 7-Eleven, it will display the address. To deposit cash, click Show Barcode. Be aware that these barcodes are only valid for 2 minutes. So get it while you're at the store. When you're at 7-Eleven with your cash, have the cashier scan this barcode, not your Cash App card. Note that there's a $1 fee for this service. So if you're depositing $50, make it $51 to cover the fee, ensuring you have $50 available in your Cash App. Additionally, there are limits and you'll know about those now. There's a daily limit of $500, a minimum of $5, and $1,000 every 7 days, with a maximum of $4,000 every 30 days. Once the cashier scans the barcode, they will ask you to pay the fee and deposit the desired amount into your Cash App. It usually takes about 5 minutes for the deposit to go through. Also, to use this feature, you must already have a Cash App Cash card. And that's how you can deposit cash into your Cash App at 7-Eleven.